do my tip or trick of the week. So here we go. Do you guys have a basket like this where you have all your leftovers? How usable is this? This is not very usable. And so I was really thinking about how can this become something that I can actually think about putting back into my queue to be knitting with. So here's my idea for that. Here's my tip of the week. That I have, we tend to buy a lot of the same kind of colors, right? So I think if you go through your basket or your shelf where you put all your leftover things and put the colors together that you think work well and put them into a Ziploc. So, I've got some, and I'm trying to put these in that are mostly the same standard weight, okay? So these are all mostly like they're either DK or worsted. So I have some semi-solid colors. I have a variegated color. I've got some marled yarn that are all in these blues. And I have this blue-green too that kind of goes with the green that I already have in there. So I'm just going to put these in here. Those all go together. And this would be something that if I want to make a stripy hat, or if I want to make some stripy mittens or something like that, or something that's been on my mind about making is to do like one of those jelly roll blankets where you just kind of start knitting little strips and then you put the strips together. And you could probably use a myriad of colors, but all of these would go well together. Or let's say I don't crochet, sorry. But let's say that you do crochet and you wanted to make like a granny square blanket or Afghan or something like that. Having all these colors together in one place makes this as something that's more usable than this. Because in this, I can't see what I have and I don't know what goes together. Here, I can see what I have and I know what goes together. And probably even better than just putting them in here, like, because most of these are in some kind of usable form except for one, right? This one is not in a usable form. So making sure that everything in here is ready to go. So either make this into a cake or make it into a ball while you're watching TV or something like that. And then everything that's in here is usable and ready to go. All you need to do is figure out the pattern that you want to make and add some needles and you're ready to go. It's also in its convenient, although not beautiful, project bag. So that's my tip or trick of the week. Take this, all your leftover yarn basket, or if you have a leftover yarn shelf or a cubby hole, go through it. Put things together that work together. Make sure that they're in usable form, and you've got another project ready to go. All right, that's the tip or trick of the week.